Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, we'll be cutting out for our electrical box. The first thing we need to do is drill holes in the corners. Now, it's really only necessary to drill the holes in two opposite corners because then we can run the jigsaw both ways and meet up at the other corners. Once we've got our holes drilled, we can come in with the jigsaw and make our cuts. You always want to go back and clean up your cuts. And lastly, you can put in your box and see how it fits. If it's a little bit too tight to fit, you can always come back and trim a little bit off.